Want to upgrade your style without breaking the bank? Welcome to the world of smart and stylish makeovers. The beauty of personal style lies not in the price tags, but in the confidence it instills. Today, we're going to explore how you can transform your look, from your wardrobe to your grooming routine, without spending a fortune. Get ready to redefine your style with practical tips and tricks that will leave you looking dapper on a dime. Embark on this style transformation journey, and remember, it's not about the price tags, but your confidence. To begin with, take a good look at your current wardrobe. It's not just a collection of garments, it's a reflection of your personality and your personal history. So, start by identifying the staple pieces that are timeless and versatile. These are the items that you can mix and match to create a variety of looks. Next, it's time to separate the wheat from the chaff. That's right, it's time to get rid of the outdated items that you haven't worn for ages. Don't be sentimental, be ruthless. If it doesn't fit, if it's worn out, or if it simply doesn't reflect who you are anymore, it's time to let it go. Finally, try to understand your personal style preferences. Are you more of a classic guy, or do you lean towards trendy looks? By understanding your preferences, you can make smarter choices in the future. Remember, a well-organized wardrobe is the first step towards a stylish transformation. Now that you've sorted out your wardrobe, let's hit the stores, but smartly. So, you're ready to revamp your style on a budget, but where do you start? You might be surprised to learn that some of the best gems are found in thrift stores. Yes, you heard that right. These places are filled with unique pieces that can add a touch of individuality to your style. Plus, they're easy on the wallet. So don't be shy, go ahead and rummage through those racks. But what about those must-have items that you can't find at thrift stores? That's where sales come in. Most stores have end-of-season sales where you can snag high-quality pieces at a fraction of the original price, so patience is key. Wait for these sales and make the most of them. And let's not forget about investing in versatile pieces. These are items that can be mixed and matched with various outfits. Think neutral colors and classic designs. A crisp white shirt, a pair of well-fitted jeans, a classic blazer. These can be paired with almost anything in your wardrobe, maximizing your style options while minimizing your spending. So, there you have it. Thrift stores, sales, and versatile pieces. These are your secret weapons for shopping smart and transforming your look on a budget. Remember, shopping smart is all about getting the most bang for your buck. Clothes aren't the only thing that defines your style. Grooming and accessories play a huge role too. Now let's talk grooming. A well-maintained appearance can do wonders for your style and confidence. It doesn't have to be expensive either. Regular haircuts, clean-shaven or neatly trimmed facial hair, and good personal hygiene are key. You don't need to visit a fancy salon. A simple, clean haircut is enough to make you look sharp. Moving on to accessories, these are your style's best companions. They can easily elevate your look without breaking the bank. Consider investing in a few versatile pieces like a classic watch, a pair of sunglasses, and a neat wallet. Remember, less is more. You don't need to go overboard with bling. Opt for minimalistic, timeless pieces that can be paired with different outfits. So keep grooming a priority, accessorize wisely, and watch your style transform. Remember, the devil is in the details. A little grooming and the right accessories can go a long way. So you see, upgrading your style doesn't have to cost you a fortune. It's all about making smart choices and knowing where and how to invest your money. The wardrobe assessment, remember, it's not just about decluttering, but understanding your personal style and building on it. Then, shopping smart. Thrift stores, sales, and basics. It's not just about catching trends, but about curating pieces that work for you and your lifestyle. And let's not forget grooming and accessories. They're the finishing touches, the details that pull your look together. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good too. The truth is, style isn't about the price tag, it's about confidence. It's about walking into a room and knowing that you look your best, not because of how much you spent, but because you've crafted a look that's uniquely you. So why wait? Start today, and remember, it's not about the price tags, but the confidence you wear your style with.